As a freelance expert, you have the opportunity to earn money by offering your services to clients in need. Whether you're a copywriter, web developer, marketing consultant, or any other type of professional, there are ways to monetize your skills and earn an income from home. Here are some tips on how to get started. Start by signing up for a freelancing platform like Upwork, Fiverr, or People Per Hour. This will give you access to a pool of potential clients who are looking for experts to help them with their business. Next, create a profile that showcases your skills and experience. Be sure to include examples of your work so that potential clients can see what you're capable of. Once your profile is complete, start bidding on projects that interest you. Be sure to communicate with the client clearly and agree on deadlines and payment terms before beginning work. Once the project is completed, request payment through the freelancing platform and wait for the client to release the funds. Then, once full payment has been received for the project, send a receipt to the client indicating that the funds were received and fully acknowledging completion. Thank you for watching. All the very best for your future endeavor as a freelancer. Please like, share, and subscribe, which motivates us to create videos with meaningful and useful content.